Hey, it's Morris from enjoymorecustomers.com. And I want to tell you, I have a link down below in the descriptions, and then you can get this fantastic program and tons of bonuses made by Jono Armstrong, the program and the bonuses. And this is his new release, just come out today, and I'm really excited about it. Get it while it's cheap, because it's really a fantastic program. And what you do with this thing, you pick a YouTube video, a popular one that has Creative Commons rights, where you have the ability the rights to use it. You plug this link into the program Octane, and then you pick an ending for it. It's a little outro that goes with it, and what that does is change the length and the content basically of that video. So you didn't do the video, but you have the right to change it and make these adjustments. You've got the outro to it, and now you save it, you put the new description, and you can upload it onto your YouTube channel. You can put it on your website, and it's not duplicate content anymore, because it's a different size, it's different length, and it has this outro at the end. You can have an intro too at the beginning, and of course you got access to, you can pull your own videos too, or other videos that you've adjusted. So you're basically taking somebody's proven popular video, and you just put a little twist to it and save it and upload it, and boom, there you go. And of course, you're going to put your affiliate link there. So in the course, and it's course slash program, but the program is really the 90% of it. You've got three levels: the beginning, the advanced, and the beginning, medium, intermediary, and the advanced. But it's actually quick start, medium start, and building. So the first thing is he shows you about ClickBank, because that's easy to get attached to. You just go to ClickBank, sign up, and there you go. So now you can use the vendors videos, and there you, boom, you've got automatic new content. You can find those videos that other people are selling or using that are proven to be sales, and he can show you this, and it's coming up. I've got like 3 minutes of his little clip it there, and we'll see that in just a second. The second level is where he shows you how to sign up with JVZoo and Warrior Plus, and get what to do to get approval for different products at those two places. And the third one is how you use videos to build your email list. So it's really fast sales, medium fast sales, and a little longer because you're building your list. So it's a fantastic thing, and it just absolutely needs to be in your toolkit. So I'm going to shut up for a second here. We'll watch, boom, there I am in the corner, and I'll play this a little bit. That's Jono there. We'll just wind it back, and here's a little snippet just of.
Okay, now you can see that the video has finished rendering. We just go to the last 5 seconds, and we'll see if we can find our call to action. There you go. So this has added that extra 5 seconds on here that makes this video unique. We can now start uploading this. So we simply click on the share button, go to YouTube, we click on stream live. We're going to call this Internet Jet Set Review. Description, okay, we're going to go back to ClickBank. We're going to click on promote. Notice that we get paid $460 per sale with this, which is ridiculous for free traffic. So we go and grab our affiliate link here. Okay, we're going to run this through bit.ly just to make it shorter. Okay, we're going to copy that, and we're going to go back to Octane. I'm going to write our description.
I'm so happy I got this program. It's just so quick.
Detailed training, click here,
so
and we drop our affiliate link. Go and choose our thumbnail. I've made one here. And then we're going to choose when we want this to go live. So I'm in +7 in my time zone, Jakarta, and let's have this go live at 11:06. Okay, cool. So all I need to do now is just click this live button. This is going to send this video to my YouTube account and stream it live on YouTube. So
stream live.
This is the moment of truth. This is the moment of proof. Remember, before we searched for internet jet set review on YouTube and our results were nowhere to be found. So if we just refresh these results now, boom, you can see my video is right there in the number 3 spot on the first page. This is crazy. This is not some long ticket keyword, long tail keyword that's easy to rank for. This is a high ticket keyword. This is a high demand keyword and a highly competitive keyword to be able to rank for. But I've managed to do that with Octane without creating my own video. Okay, all I've done is taken somebody else's video, they've given me permission to use this as promotion material. I've added a few seconds to the end of this video to make it unique so that I can use it organically on my YouTube channel. I've live streamed it up to YouTube and I've got number 3 rankings on the first page. Now, I've done this without having to have my own website. I've done this without having to pay for any traffic whatsoever. All I've done is use Octane to do this. Now, if somebody buys this from me, and there's a ton of people searching for this exact keyword, if somebody clicks on my video and they buys this from my description, from the link in my description, I get paid $460 per person that buys this. So crazy. And this took me literally 5 minutes to do, okay, as you've seen inside this demo. So I'm so happy to be able to put this product Octane onto the market for your customers or yourself to start making some crazy good money from video marketing without creating videos, without having a website, and without paying for any kind of paid traffic. So I hope you enjoyed this demo. I know you would have loved the proof that I've just provided you with here.
So he says that he's going to see us. Let me get up here. So he says he'll see us soon, and that's just a little snippet that I took out of the bonus page that he's got. So you click the link below, and there's tons of valuable bonuses. He just like super over delivered on these bonuses. So get the link, click the thing, buy the program. It's like $27 or something. I mean, it's really, really worth it. And it's just fantastic. So how many videos can you crank out if you're just like pulling down the link, adding the description, and putting that little outro on there? Boom, unique content. Right. So, oh yeah. So he showed that it came up on his YouTube search, but he later on he shows how it came up like ranking 2 or 3 on Google. So, because YouTube and Google, they're just like the same company. Yeah. So, yeah, fantastic. So click the link below, get your bonuses. I mean, you'll just be really pleased that you have this in your toolkit. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you. Oh, yeah, check out my website at enjoymorecustomers.com. And there's all kinds of tricks and, oh, yeah, you're going to see all kinds of little things on there. But the main thing, get this. You got to get this. All righty. Thanks. Bye.